Good evening. My name is Kiranpreet Kaur. My student ID is EMV24626. Now I am going to present the issues in cash flow statement. Now I am going to start with introduction. The report of corporate accounting assignment will begin with the existing literature review on income statement and cash flow statement. It will mention the uses of this statement to the investor planning their funds in the company. There are three Australian companies: BH Limited, Santos Limited, and Fantastic Limited. They are selected. They are selected and they will be evaluated on their financial performance across three years: 2017, 18, and 19. And and now I am going to present the existing literature review of income statement and cash flow statement in a task A. In income statement, there are three components: gross profit cost, cost on sale of goods, operating profits. And we consider in cash flow statement there are three components: operating activity cash flow, investing cash flow statement, and the financing activity cash flow. And in next slide I will telling about the uses of the income statement and cash flow statement to investor planning on their investing in a company. This statement help the investor to use past cash flow statement for future results. They determine the ability of the company to create a future profit stream throughout the reporting of company earnings and expenditures. This statement presents a recent image of the company earnings and expenditure and the total profit earned. In the next slide, in task B, I will discuss the assessment of three companies: BH Limited, Santos Limited, and Fantastic Limited for the year 2017, 18, and 19. The BH Limited is a global resource entity. The company main area of business operations are mineral expenditure, petrol expenditure, and production of nickel and refinement of these minerals. And Santos Limited look for make natural gas and crude oil, etc. And Fantastic Limited promotes and sell customer product. And in the next slide I will discuss the financial performance of BH Limited, Santos Limited for the year 2017, 18, and 19. The major source of the Santos Limited the last year is the receipt from the sale of goods, interest earned, and the tariffs on the pipeline. The income earned has been majorly used by Santos Limited to payment of the suppliers and the customers, repay borrowings, and for the procurement of gas and oil assets. The cash flow statement of Fantastic Limited has been negative in the last 3 years, and it shows that there is a negative trend in the Fantastic Limited. And in the year 2017, 18, and 19, BH Limited has a sufficient cash generation to pay its capital expenditures. And now I am discuss the identification of financial strength of BH Limited, Santos Limited, and Fantastic Limited for the year 2017 and 19 in the areas of liquidity, profitability, and solvency. And in the next slide I will discuss about the identification of the company most reputable for the lending purpose. After evaluating of the business operation of a company, I will discuss that it helps in controlling the business functions. This evaluation also help in direct the growth of a prospective company, not just in the earning. And BH Limited in the starting year 2018 has is a positive profits, but in later it have a negative results. But Santos Limited had in the 3 years have a positive result, so they have an increasing trend. And after that I will I, at the conclusion, I will discuss the literature review, explain in detail what is income statement and cash flow statement, their benefits, components that make up this statement. The selection of BHP Limited based on its financial performance, stability, availability of funds to carry experience, and its ability to dispose of land. Out of three companies, BH Limited has the best margins and it is the most profitable company and with efficient and effective operating activities. And in the last, I will give the references and thank you so much. Thank you.